my favorite memories was it was a survey course for Western art with Tom Dale, Professor Tom Dale. And while some of us in the front row were very locked in and really like focused with our note taking, every now and then there would be some who would succumb to the dark, cozy lecture hall and maybe doze off a little because if this is not your major, maybe you're just, it's 2 in the afternoon, you are tired in the middle of a dark lecture. So Tom would burst into a spontaneous British accent and just wake everybody right up. And I actually use that in my teaching today. With in the ballet classroom, it just keeps it light and it was great.